Okay, so we've sanded in the shape. We're going to all sort of sand around the edges just to make it all smooth. What you're going to do for the next bit is make sure that it's square here, okay? Because we're about to draw the axles. So making sure it's square, there's no gap there. And we're going to mark out for the holes. Now, I have them at 1 centimetre. 1 centimetre. Oop. And then we have 1.5 mil, sorry, 1.5 mil, that'd be very small. 1.5 centimetres in, 15 mil there. So that's where our holes are going to be. Now, our holes for our axles were 10 mil when I first started out, but they were terrible. They're now 11 mil. Where's my 11 mil drill bit then?
It should be tidier in here and then you find it.
It should be a mess. Yeah, but in my head we're moving, so I don't need to tidy it until we've moved.
It's very messy.
This bad boy is amazing. So unlike a normal drill bit, it's called like Stanley. It's like a Max something drill bit. It's about £10, but oh my god, it goes through the wood so much better than normal drill bits. Sorry, I lost I'm still a bit ill from Christmas, so I'm not really making sense. Right. Okay, Eddie, off my face, please.
No.
No, I've got to show you this.
You look lovely.
Oh, shh. Right, so the next bit is we're going to put it in the vise. So it's square. So for some weird reason, my vise is only square this side, so I always drill it this side. We're going to clamp it in the vise, but before you do any drilling, you're going to make sure that it's square there. So that drill bit is going to go all the way through, really, really nice and straight. And as we can see, that's nice and square.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Wait, let me...
Mask.
I want to do it in slow-mo.
You can't do it in slow-mo.
Come on. Okay.
Okay, guys, a bit of a tip. Oh, sorry. A tip, because I've got a cheap pillar drill and it won't go all the way down, all the way through, is I have to just raise it up a bit inside, bring the table up. I don't know if you're meant to do this, I'm going to be honest, but that's what I do to get the last bit and get it all the way through. Oh, the great thing about this... The great thing about this drill bit as well is you don't get a breakout at the bottom. So normally if you drill through, you'll get a bit breakout on the bottom surface, which means that you can't have that basically.
What was the name of the drill bit again?
I genuinely don't know. I'll try to find out and put it on the video.
Like goggles?
Goggles. There you go.
Ooh, looks great.
So that's that.
Good enough to ride.
Not too bad.
Right, I feel like Steven Spielberg now.
Don't look like him.
Oh. Right, that's probably a good thing.
Probably a good thing,
What are you doing now then?
Right, depth. Setting the depth for the peg dowel to fit in. So do you remember we made these holes? But as I said, because of my gauge isn't working, I've got to use the
Depth thing.
Yeah. So I'm really sorry I'm not using technical terms. I am genuinely still ill from Christmas. So we're going to just bring that depth down a little bit more because now we've got the curve. We know the finished face.
Okay, mask's on. Let me put mine on. Hang on, let me put mine on.
Oh,
okay.
Goggles.
Okay, wait. I really want to do slow-mo.
No. There you go.
Perfect.
Cool. Okay, so we're on to sanding it, final sand, so that it's nice for when you put the wheels on. So we start with an 80, just to get that nice shape and to get the sharp edges off.
What's the tool called you're using?
Auto sander.
Okay.
So I use the auto sander to start. I do an 80, and then we do it to 150.
What do the numbers mean?
And then we take it down to, oh, okay, so the higher the number, the finer the grit, so the smoother the finish. Okay. Okay, so 80 is quite a rough one, so it will just sort of give a good all round sort of.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll do this.